Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install custom LED lamp notifications on Realme GT 2. And to do this you will need to open a Google Play Store, inside find app called Notify Buddy. Then select the app and pick install. When it's ready, hit open, then move to the next step and grant 3 permissions. Last right here is battery optimization, which is optional to disable. I'm gonna leave it enabled. Now let's proceed. From here you can start using the app. There's 4 tabs: user, system, active and settings. In user you can pick any apps to allow for a custom LED lamp notifications. In system you can find all system bound apps. In active there's all apps that you've just activated, and in the settings you can customize your LED lamp with different color, size, shape. Let's click on the test button and you should see the LED lamp right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.